Hello guys, it's Luke Mead here, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a new channel on Telegram. So here I am on the Telegram app on desktop. You can be on your mobile device too. This works very similarly. What we're going to do is head up and click the button like we're creating a new message, and instead we're going to go to the very last option and click new channel. The first thing we have to do is give it a name. It's important to choose a name that's engaging and covers the topic you'll be promoting. In this case I might say Marketing Australia, because that's where I'm living. We then want to add an image. In this case, I might just add a random image of an ocean, but you want to add something that's meaningful to your group or your channel. Where's that gone? Let's hit next. Here we go. And here is our channel. Now we have a few options. You can see it's currently set to private. If you want it to be public, you can change it to be public, and you can see that generates a bit of a cleaner link, and we want that because that's how we're going to share our link and be found. So we're going to change it to public, and we're going to give it a name, and we might call it Marketing-Australia. And if that's not working, we might change it to Marketers Australia. Or we might even make that something a bit easier, South Australia. That's potentially where I live. This username is invalid apparently. We'll come back to that. We want to allow forwarding. Here we go. What the issue was that I had dashes which aren't allowed. So make sure you have no dashes and select your URL. Remember, this is what people will use to find you, and then we can hit done. Now we have this channel and obviously no one's on it. So the next problem we have is how do we get people on it? And the easiest way to do that is to head to these websites. Now this is the official Telegram channel's website, and here is an unofficial one. What these both do is they allow you to find channels that you want to join. For example, if you want to hear about music, you can head here and see what music channels are available. Likewise, you can do the same thing here. And if you want to have a look at any of these channels, you can have a look here. So let's have a look at a crypto one here. Now, how this works is you are going to upload your channel to these platforms, and that's going to put your channel in here so people can find you. So, for example, mine about marketing would be in here, education most likely, and I'm going to upload it here. And the way we can do that is by scrolling to the very bottom and clicking adding your channel. What we're going to do is add our username, which is here, Marketing Australia. Our category, we'll give it education. We are Australian. We give marketing advice. Make sure to give a good description. I've been a bit lazy here, but you really should include a high quality description because that's going to help you be found. And then you can add some more information here as well. So once you've done that, you're going to submit, and they will vet you. And if you're eligible, you will be able to be put in here. So the idea here is that you've got your channel set up, and you've got your category set, and you've got your way of being found, and that's how you're going to grow organically. So the next thing you want to do is make sure you post at least once a day. Posting once a day means that everyone's going to keep engaged with your brand and know what's going on. If you don't post once a day, people lose interest and traction, and that's the only way you build social platforms, is that you've got to build this energy and this community sense. Have a look at some of these successful platforms. Crypto world, posting every couple of hours really, and that's really great because you know what? People learn stuff, people know what's going on, and that is the point of Telegram. So when you're doing your Telegram channel, make sure you create it, share it, on these platforms, and then post regularly to keep everyone updated. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, I do have a video on how to advertise on Telegram. That's another great way to build your community. You can run ads promoting your channel. There'll be a link to that in the video, and there'll be one in the description. Check it out. The video is about Telegram.io. They're the best Telegram advertising platform out there. Keep well, guys. Ciao, ciao.